mata ko. Nakikita nyo yan? Nasakay ako dyan. Bakit na lang? Minsan lang to. Sulitin na. Kaya, nakaya. Ngayon contact lens ako eh.
Tapos yung bag ko pa parang bag niya, no?
Hindi, iwan naman. The bravest. Wow, first row people.
Ja. Ja, ruhig, Sie können ruhig nach vorne gehen, sagen, dass Sie noch kein Ticket oder was ist. Okay.
Really, huh? Really? How was it? It's a third ride with this tour guide and this tour guide. I don't know if they're saying the right one.
Oh no! Oh, nicht schon wieder ich.
Not me, not me, not me!
Aber Glück.
There's only one now, right?
Good luck again. Good luck again. I don't know what I guess. I'm safe! I'm holding to my mouth! I'm safe! I'm safe! Yes!
No, it's not.
Yes! You're fast. Oh
Yes!
no! No!
Don't fly! Don't miss! No!
Yeah! Schon wieder! Scheiße!
I'm gonna shoot. We're totally wet. Yeah, yeah. It doesn't zoom.
Oh, it doesn't zoom. My God.
Die sich unter diesen Kühlen verbirgt, Energie blieb. Das Teil hoch. So, das Böse.
Ayos! Ayos!
My God.
Why are we doing this to ourselves?
I'm so dizzy now.
We ride this? My gosh. Kung nakikita nyo lang kung gaano kataas, gaano kalaki. My God. Yeah, it's JR. That's JR. pa. Wala akong ano. Ganda ng mga decoration nila dito. Para talaga siyang Disneyland. Na murang version. So great! The ride is here. May pa-smell effect pa sila. Ang bango. Really? Oh, there's a piping bag. Then babarilin namin yung mga mouse.
Oh, that's where you get 100,000 plus, huh?
Wait, let's...
Mauro!
Wow, laki. Parang indoor. Yeah, indoor roller coaster. Pagod na ang person kaya hindi na sasama dyan sa ride na yan. Hindi ko na kaya. Sobrang OA yan. Tingnan nyo kung paano sila paikutin. Pati ako nalulula. Last na. Ayoko na. Naiwan na lahat ng kaluluwa ko. Kita nyo yan? Na-scam na naman ako. Sabi, hindi daw mataas at hindi daw mabilis. The scammers. Tingnan nyo. Ganyan lang daw siya. Buti na lang. Ganda dito. Kaya pa naman. Kaya pa. Pero wala nang sanang roller coaster. At wala nang i-scam. This one is a scammer.
I am a scammer?
Yeah, you told me it's not that.
Now we're actually going to a fun one.
Oh, no. Again. But not a roller coaster.
No, it's like actually like quite.
Oh, I saw it's on video. My God, nai-scam ako ng mga taong ito. Lagi na lang. So, hulaan nyo kung nasan kami. Kuya Nicholas is riding a horse.
It's going.
It is? Oh. Wow. Say hi, baby Patricia. Say hi to your, yeah. Hi to your relatives. Hi to your... Why you're doing that one? Rodeo. Kinarera si Nicholas. Kinarera si Mauro na nakatalikod. Ay, ay, ay. Next stop. Ano to? Karu? Hello. Wow.
No, I think we're going
So we need to. Okay. Do it, Pablo. Do it. Bakit? Anong amoy? Walang amoy. Ay, ang bango. Oh, look at the carpet.
I'm sorry. Ay, balik ka doon.
Oh, look at the bed.
I'm sorry.
Stupid. Ay. Wow. Yeah. What happened? Oh, it's just the light. Where's the air? Oh, it's here. Wow. It's hard. Where are you? Oh, no. I'm sandwiched now. Hey. It's really doing. Go ahead, Nicholas, do it. It's not doing anything. No, it's a video. Yeah, flex it. My God. What's happening now? Oh, it's just plates. Plates, plates. Whoa. Really? We have to do this?
Yeah.
Oh no. Coco's hungry.
Immer diese